Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Journey Say. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include monotone paint application, billet clear coat, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, quick order package 22A included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 steel, STD, normal duty suspension, STD, connectivity group included, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped steering wheel, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth included, leather-wrapped steering wheel and transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now.